Hi there, and welcome to Sugar Hiccups. Today I'm going to take these library cards and turn them into something fun. So I have 6 library cards and 6 pockets. I'm going to decorate them so they can be used in Halloween journals. I have paper that I picked out and some ribbons, some stickers, spiders, and I may even use these digitals I printed out. Oh, and here's some ribbon. I'm going to use the Elmer's glue to glue these images on the library pockets and cards. Here are 3 sheets of paper I'm going to make 2 library cards and pockets out of. I want to use this main Halloween paper with this cat, but I want the cat most in the pocket, and so I sort of have to measure him in a kind of different way. He's sort of in the center of the paper. And I'm eyeball measuring. Sometimes I find that easier than actually using a ruler to measure. And then I love my paper cutter to give me these straight edges. So I'm just using the Elmer's glue, and I am going to take this plaid printable and paste it on the back end of the card, and then use the cat print for the bottom. And just smooth it down. And for my next one, I'm going to use the printed cat and pumpkin paper again and use it on the back end of the pocket card. And here I'm using another digital, and it's of this floral that I think looks super cute with the pumpkins. So I'm just going to cut that and glue it on the library pocket. I love how these 2 turned out. I love using the same pattern on the bottom of the library pocket in the back. And I'm going to do the same with these purple ones and these other orange ones. But I'm going to do this off camera. And here they are. These were so fun to make. I'm going to soon add a ribbon to them, but I wanted to show you how they turned out before I add the ribbon. Here are the purple ones. And I used the same pattern but different colors of the florals, and the same pattern but different colors of the checks. And both of them each have the same actual pattern on the top and bottom. And my last 2 I just love this design. It's sort of retro witch. And of course the floral in plaid that is from the same digitals. It was so much fun to mismatch these different colors and patterns. I could just play with these all day, just mixing and matching. Here are the ribbons I picked out. I picked out a purple rickrack and a black velvet, which I think will go best with this witch set, and a real pretty orange sparkle. And my favorite is this little green that I'll do with the kitty cat in the center. So I'm going to use Fabri-Tac to glue these on, and I'll just snip the size that I see and glue the fabric tack on to seal it. And here I'll use some purple rickrack. But I don't want to cover up the owl's faces, so I'm going to put it on the side. Here is the velvet black trim. Again, I didn't want to cover up the kitty cat or the witch, so I just put it on the side. And I'm adding the sparkle on the floral, which we always use. And now I'm adding the orange sparkle, which looks really pretty on the florals. And just gonna trim some edges. And there we have those. So here are the library cards that are going to be tucked in each pocket. So I'm going to want to decorate them, but not too much, but just a little bit, because those are good for journaling, and I want to leave room for people to journal. So here is Recollections. This is a sticker book that I love. So I know I want to use some of these. And to give you a little glimpse of what I've... Okay, so starting with Recollections, I'm just going to add a few little stickers. So which? Now I think those are wings, but they also look like hands. This one's my favorite. I'm going to put a few little pumpkins on these to add a consistency. So every index card gets a pumpkin. And now I'm going to pick which one I want to go in the pockets. I love those eyes. And here are the final pockets, all decorated with their index cards. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining Sugar Hiccups, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.